We love salsa, and this one is so delicious I could eat it every day. Let me show you how we make it. Recently everyone's been obsessed with these vegetable choppers, and using this in this recipe makes it so easy. So to start off with, we've cut our tomatoes in half and then diced them using the chopper. Then we do the same with a pepper, our onion, chili and coriander before adding them to our bowl. The great thing about this salsa is that it's so light, fresh and easy to make. If you also like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. To really make this salsa delicious, we start by seasoning with salt, adding a bit of sugar, cumin and then juice of 1 lime. And then give it all a really good mix. This simple but delicious salsa is ready in less than 5 minutes. This is great with some tortilla chips and is a perfect accompaniment to any Mexican meal. If you like this recipe, then hit that like and subscribe button and comment below what you want to see next.